I made over $26,000 in a single month on YouTube, and that's more than I made the whole year before working full-time job. And the most craziest thing is that you can do it too. You are watching this video, you know what YouTube is, and that's all that you need. Well, perhaps if you need more practical advice on the steps that you need to take to get started, I'm here to guide you through all of them right now. So how do you get started on YouTube without getting overwhelmed, without consuming the content and getting stuck in that loop, just consuming the content instead of starting to create your videos? Well, number one, you need to answer the question, do you want to run and start personal YouTube channel or a faceless one? From my own experience, and I have been on YouTube for almost 5 years, with the faceless automated channel, you can get going and get started very quickly. It can be very cheap or it can be absolutely free. You don't need any equipment. You can just need to use some AI tools and you can make money faster. Now with the personal YouTube channel, you have more flexibility. It might take a bit longer time to grow, but you don't have to niche down so much. So I have done it both. First, I started with a personal channel that failed miserably, and I will tell you why and the mistakes that you don't have to make. Then I transitioned and moved into the faceless YouTube channel, where I made very successful channels and made a lot of money, including the one I showed you with the $26,000 per month. That channel overall in 11 months made over $200,000, and that's just one of my channels. So I have done both, and now I'm restarting and starting this personal channel again with all the knowledge that I have gained during these last 5 years on YouTube. So when I started my personal channel 5 years ago, as I said, I failed miserably. I didn't know where I was really actually getting into and how much work is involved and how hard it can be. At the same time, I still had a full-time job. I still had my family, my house, the busy lifestyle, and then the COVID hit. And we ended up making these videos during, when I say me and my husband Austin, we made these videos during the night, staying up late in the night, sleeping a couple of hours, because the night was the only time when the house was quiet because kids were not going to school during the COVID, and it was just really mad, and we just burned out, our health got affected, and we just couldn't sustain it. So from there, we kind of gave up on YouTube, but in sense of doing the personal videos and trying to build up the personal channel. So we moved and transitioned into the faceless YouTube channel, and we started doing YouTube automation. Well, back then the automation we did was more like expensive outsourcing. So we hired a lot of freelancers and spent a lot of money to start running these YouTube channels, and they did well and they took off. Now we are transitioned and using AI tools again, and it's so much more quicker and easier to produce the content while still making earnings on YouTube AdSense, on affiliate programs, on brands and sponsorship deals, and also with our own digital products. So just because of that, now with the help of the AI, the time that we need to spend now to produce our content is so much more quicker, so much more cheaper. I have this extra time now to come back and restart this personal channel to share with you everything that I have learned and what we are doing right now and how we are making money with the faceless automated YouTube channel, so you can do it too. So let me start guiding you through these steps that you need to take. Number one is to believe in yourself. You only have to believe in this simple chain. You look on the YouTube, you can see that people have done it. I am doing it, I can do it, and you can do it too. And there is no limit. So anyone can do it. There's not a single person who has more advantage than you. All you need to know is to get and stick to the one plan, have the tools, and stay commitment. So with the first thing to do is to finding the time. Find the time that you will be spending on working on your YouTube channel. Set the schedule, book appointments, set up alarms, whatever it takes. Use your phone, use, magnetic notes on your fridge, anything that actually can get you into that routine. And you need to have at least 1 hour per day. So at the beginning, it might, need more time for you to produce that one video. But if you follow our plan and our strategies, it will be about 1 hour per day. So your goal, number one, is not to think of how much money I will make on YouTube, how I would, reach the goal of certain amount of money in a certain amount of time. Your first goal is to find the time in your daily life. Find the time that you can live without it. So can you live without 1 hour of watching Netflix, or can you live without 1 hour, I don't know, maybe perhaps waking up earlier, anything that can be. So this is my 1 hour that I will spend on working on YouTube. So emphasize working, not just consuming content, not constantly watching the videos and just getting into this loop, making money for somebody else, but actually working, taking the action that you need to do to set up and start your own YouTube channel. And it might be hard. It might be hard to getting out of that comfort zone. But if you want your life to change, you have to act differently. So you have to make the changes. And first change will be that change of your daily routine, your daily schedule. However you want to split your time. If you don't have a block of 1 hour that you can think of, you can start by using 15 minutes in the morning, maybe half an hour for your lunch break, and then another half an hour in the evening. However you want to split that time, just make sure you have it on your schedule, on your daily schedule, your routine, that this is what I'm gonna be doing. Then from there, next important thing is for you to focus on one plan, on one strategy. So if you want to build faceless YouTube channel, find your inspiration and follow that one plan. It's so easy to get distracted and start jumping from one thing to another, even if it's in the niche. So I have found this channel, I want to go for this niche, and you start producing a couple of content, a couple of videos in that niche, you start producing, you have a little chunk of your content, and then you see something else and you jump to another one, and you will get overwhelmed, you will get frustrated, you will not know really what you are doing. So you can't follow, different people will provide you different plans and different strategies, so you can't follow all of them at the same time. Focus on one. So pick one inspiration, one plan, one strategy, and just follow that one path, one strategy, and stay focused. Depending on whether you want to go for personal channel or a faceless automated channel, do your research. What people are looking for, searching for, what do they want to see? Now, if that's personal YouTube channel, go from your experience. It's your story is unique. Your experience and what you have overcome and achieved your life is unique. And it might be hard to think of anything like that, like on a dot now. I don't know anything that I have done that I can share with the others. And it might be hard to find that on YouTube as well, because YouTube is suggesting you videos based on your previous behavior of what you have watched. So it's difficult to see what is actually in the YouTube. There's so much more than you can think of. Now, very easy way is how to see how people are selling their past experiences is head to the school. If you go to school and just browse these communities, and school will display these communities very randomly, and it's almost like crazy and beautiful at the same time. So you get to see a lot of stuff that you couldn't even imagine that you could potentially monetize on, and you can sell, and you don't have to create very high ticket offers. It can be a very low monthly payment subscription for your community. It can be one-off payments of something that is inside in your community, but look at those topics. And it's not just making money online or losing weight. You know that money and health will always be trending topic. It will never not be evergreen. That's an evergreen niche that will be there. But if you look on a school, it's not just that. There is how to play pickleball, how men's fragrances community, some inspirational, motivational communities. Then there are things like injury prevention, how to play chess, and so way wide range of things that people can just pull out from their own personal experiences. So school is a great place where to get inspired if you want to start a personal YouTube channel and feeling bit stuck of what can you actually give and what solutions you can provide. Now, if you are going for the faceless YouTube channel, do not overcomplicate it. Just pick one niche that is high CPM niche. You can find a list of the niches we have tested and recommend in the video description. So you want to make sure that your videos that you are producing, these are faceless videos, right? You want to get the highest earning possible from the AdSense, and then additionally you set up all the other, you join some affiliate marketing, you set up some digital products or find brands or sponsors, but you always want to make sure that that CPM is the highest possible. And then with the faceless video production, all you need to know is the set of the actions and the tools that you can use to achieve these results, achieve these videos, and produce them as cheap as possible and as quick as possible. Now, if you are interested to know the entire process and the tools that we use, you can find them in our free school community. Link will be in the video description. There are full tutorials and explanations on tools we use, and essentially we recommend for you to produce one video per day that would not take you more than 1 hour, and repeat that for the 30 days. If you use the tools that we are recommending and paid subscriptions, it will cost you less than $3 per one video. That is the most time efficient way of producing videos. You can get done videos absolutely free. It will just gonna take you a little bit more time, but if you have the time at your hand and if you don't have a budget, then of course go for it. If you have a little budget that you can spend, then invest in these AI tools to get your videos done quicker, to see the results quicker as well. Now, with the AI tools and the prompting involved, I know that many of you can find this prompting overwhelming, and it might be kind of putting you off, not knowing how to prompt the AI tools to get out the script, the voiceovers, the actual video editing, including even the thumbnails. So again, in my free school community, there are free AI prompts that I have done specifically for the high CPM niches that you can use to get started on a dot. Like today, you can start your YouTube channel today. Everything that you need is in the community. Now, the next step, and that's the most important step, is, as boring it may sound, just take the action. Let me ask you, how many videos have you watched? And oh my god, so how many videos have you watched, and how many videos have you produced? And you need to balance this out. You cannot sit on a day and watch 20 videos and not make even single video for yourself. I believe at this point you have gained enough knowledge. You're watching this video on a purpose. You want to do it. So just pick one strategy, one inspiration that you want to follow, and start. If you want your life to change, you have to act differently, and you have to step out of your comfort zone. So we tried to step out of our comfort zone starting the personal YouTube channel. We failed. We tried to follow too many creators at the same time. We were not really aware of what we are doing. It wasn't sustainable. It was just mix and chaos. It was mad, it was mental, and it wasn't sustainable. Then once we picked the faceless channel and followed one strategy that we are still using it right now in 2025, that's when we saw the results. And again, not to get too comfortable with it by hiding behind that camera and never being exposed on those YouTube channels, we are stepping out again. And this is me being again totally out of my comfort zone. So I want to progress and I want to continue growing. So again, I'm doing things differently. And you need to be the same. You need to do the same. You need to step out of that, your daily routine. Change your time schedule, find that time for your YouTube, and step out of that safe comfort zone, step out of that cycle of consuming content, and actually start acting. So as a general recommendation, if you are doing the personal YouTube channel, we would recommend for you to posting at least 2 to 3 videos per week if you can, without compromising on quality. With the faceless one, if you are using AI tools, you should be able to get out at least 7 videos per week. So 1 video per day, and then you will see the results in the next 30 days. Stay accountable to yourself, to your family, or whoever you are doing this for. What is your main why? Why are you in it, and why you want to get where you are going for, right? Stay accountable to yourself and stay consistent and stay committed and stay focused on that one path. I remember when a friend of mine lost her job and she was thinking about a side hustle that she could do. She was coming up with selling on Amazon, doing drop shipping, doing some custom, crafts on Etsy, doing some print on demand, and so many things. And when she was going through this list, all I could say, I have done that, I have been there, I know how it's done. Before we started YouTube, we did so many different businesses. We reach out everywhere and we didn't get nowhere with that. And the same applies on YouTube. If you're trying to branch out too much, if you follow too many strategies, too many creators, you will not gonna get nowhere. Just stay focused on one thing that you are doing. So just go for it. That's all I can say. That's all that's left for you to do. Believe in yourself. And if you don't have that belief in yourself and you don't have anybody who pushes you out of that comfort zone, I can be that person for you. So drop me a comment here on YouTube or connect with me in my free school community. I'm here for you and I hope to speak to you soon.